What's up my people? So today I'm going to be showing you basically how I import pictures, the two ways I import pictures into Photoshop. So right on my screen, the first things first, we're going to open like a plain canvas. We're just going to create a canvas, and on that canvas I'm going to be showing you how I import pictures the two ways. First things first, on Photoshop, after turning on my canvas, we're just going to go to File. We're going to open for the first stage, select the image and just press open, and then it opens, right? So what we're going to do is I'm just going to have to probably unlock this image, and there are two ways to unlock. You can either drag it to the bin or click on it to unlock the image. I'm going to click on move. I'm going to move it to the next tab and drop it on my canvas. And after doing that, that's the first way to import into your canvas on Photoshop. So for the second way, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our file explorer. We're just going to look for the image, drag it and drop it into Photoshop. And that's the second way of dropping an image into your design. So but as you can see, we're trying to resize it here. It's already like highlighted, so we're just going to press enter to come out of that function. So if you have I think there are certain problems we probably encounter when, like for example, if we take this image and put here, we notice it has this notification, this pop-up. So what we're going to do for this one is we're just going to click OK. If you experience something like this when trying to import an image, we're just going to click OK on this one. Then after we do that, we're just going to go to File Explorer. We're going to right click, we're going to go to Edit with Paint to change it, because usually it doesn't recognize the file extension. So we're going to change it. We're going to save as PNG or as JPEG, any one you prefer. We're just going to click on PNG for now. Save it to PNG because basically the file extension is wrong. That's why Photoshop will not recognize it. I can give it any name I want. I'm just going to press save. I'm just going to cancel, and then when I import this, you notice it's going to open straight up on Photoshop without any problems. So in case you encounter something like that, what you can do is always go to Paint or go to another program to resave the image, because sometimes the file extension affects it and Photoshop does not recognize anything that is not maybe JPEG or PNG stuff. So you have to always change it. So stay creative, stay awesome, and I'll see you